Oh, this sweet chili sauce recipe is so delicious. First, gather all your ingredients so it makes it quick and easy to make the sauce. You're going to put your sugar in your saucepan along with the cornstarch and your water and vinegar. Then add the chili paste and some crushed red pepper for some extra spice. You can adjust the vinegar and the spice on this recipe. And this recipe is available on my website. So whisk everything together until it's very smooth. You want to really incorporate the sugar and the cornstarch well. Then turn your burner on high and boil it. So when it starts small boils, a slow simmer, you want to stir it really good, and then you can put a cover on it until it comes to more of a boil. And maybe take the lid off like I did. Give it another whisk, making sure that all the ingredients are fully incorporated so that the sauce thickens well and everything is nice and silky smooth. Allow the sauce to cool and then pour it into a glass jar for storing. You can refrigerate the sauce for up to 3 weeks, and I love to serve it with spring rolls. So today I'm making vegetable and chicken spring rolls. You can add anything you prefer to your spring rolls, shrimp or different vegetables. You take the rice paper wrap and you soak it in some water for a minute or so, and then just allow the excess water to drip off and lay onto your counter. When they're sitting there, they will absorb more water and become more flexible. As you can see, my chicken is piping hot. I had just cooked it, and I already chopped up the rest of my vegetables. So today I'm using spinach along with cucumber, diced cabbage, and shredded carrots. You can add fresh herbs and anything you prefer to yours. Just line everything up. If you fill them really full, you'll won't get them to close up very well on the ends. I find that the stuff comes pouring out, which doesn't bother me if I'm eating them right away. But if you want them to roll up really tight and smaller, then just put about half of the amount of ingredients that I'm putting into these large ones. And if you put half the amount of ingredients, you'll be able to roll them up almost like a puffy egg roll size. So just continue to line everything up, and then you're going to fold over the rice paper over the top of the ingredients and tuck them all in nice, kind of like a burrito, and just roll it all the way up and tuck in the sides. And you can see that the rice paper is very stretchy, so I just tucked in one side and left the end open. Stretch the remaining rice paper rack over the edge, and you're all ready to enjoy it. So they don't have to be super fussy, pretty quick and easy. So just put it on your plate and serve it with your sweet chili sauce on the side. You could dip it into. If you prefer, you could always pour the sweet chili sauce over them. This one I'll show you how to make a little bit smaller, and you can cut these in half. You can make them ahead of time for a lunch or a brunch and serve a whole bunch of them with the cut side facing up so that they don't fall over and everything doesn't fall out of them. But this is very quick and easy, great snack, and you can make them a little bit ahead of time. I even make them for 2 days. You can keep them in the fridge and roll them in plastic wrap to keep them fresh and from the rice paper from drying out. So tuck everything in and pull the rice paper edges around like you would a burrito, like I said, and just keep tucking the ingredients in if they seem to still want to pop out of the edge, and roll it over real tight. And then at the last roll, you can see that excess, you just stretch it, and then because it's wet, it will stick to the other section of rice paper. Just cut them in half and serve them with your sauce. Just dip them right in and enjoy. I also use the sweet chili sauce as a marinade over chicken for about an hour or so, and then after I'm done grilling the chicken, I pour some sauce over it. I have roasted cauliflower in the oven with the sweet chili sauce brushed over top before baking, and then when it comes out of the oven as well. This sweet chili sauce is great on so many things. Get this and more recipes at my blog createdbydiane.com.